Homemade self-rising flour recipe. Making your own self-rising flour at home is quick, easy, and budget-friendly. Instead of keeping an extra bag of flour in your pantry, you can whip it up in minutes using just 3 simple ingredients. Perfect for biscuits, pancakes, cakes, or any recipe that calls for self-rising flour. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Method: in a medium-sized mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk everything together until well combined and evenly mixed. Use immediately in your recipe or store in an airtight container for later use. Tip: if you need a larger batch, simply multiply the recipe by 2, 3, or more and keep it sealed in a jar for convenience.